All right, here we are with Mr. McMurray. If you're online, you're probably a little bit ahead if you've done your quiz. If you haven't done your momentum quiz, you'll be doing that today. But we're kind of a little ahead of the other ones, so I'm going to give you a preview of what we're going to do on lab on Friday and then again on Monday. So here it goes. It's the things that go bump in the lab. Anyhow, not to be confused with things that go bump in the night, which I think was a horror movie or something. Anyhow, here we go. First thing you're going to do is go to www.essential-physics.com. All right, so if you'll do that, then hit enter, and it should take you to something like this where you see the state. You want to click on the state of Texas, then you're going to click on the word Texas, not Texas Review, anything else. Okay. Then you're going to enter the access code, which is 742, and it should be in your spiral or somewhere. You're supposed to have written that down, but just in case, 098, and it's 4543. Let me double check. Yes, 4543, and that's good. And then you can click on the online student book, and it should take you there. All right. Now, when you get to this page, hopefully you're there, then you can click on 320, all right, to the page number. That's where we want to go. All right, and we're going to click enter, and hopefully it will go there. All right, this looks promising. All right, there's an investigation 11B, and it's called collisions. Part 1 is perfectly inelastic collisions, and notice there's a little button to click here. Part 2 is down here, and it has a physics button down here. Okay. So if we want to do part 1, we would click on this little box that says physics. This means there's a simulation there. And you'll notice that there are two balls. You can change the size of the balls, actually the mass, and you can change the mass of this ball, okay? You can also change the speed, okay? Now, there are limits on it. I don't forget exactly what the limits are, but you'll find out pretty quick to let you know if you can't do it. And then you can hit run, boom, and it happens. And it gives you the readout of what their final velocities would be afterwards. And you can see that there. Okay, that kind of information. It also gives you some stuff down here, which we may not worry too much about, but there it is in case you want to get into that. All right, then you click reset, and you can kind of play around with that one. All right. Then, if you go back, you can go to the second one down at the bottom, which is the elastic collision. The setup looks very similar, but it will be a little bit different, and you can play around with that, changing the masses, changing the speed, and see what that does for the whole thing. Okay, now that's basically what I'd like for you to play around with that a little bit, and then there'll be a couple questions in the quiz to answer, just so you have something to do and show that you were present today and working hard and diligently and all that good stuff. Tomorrow we will give you a worksheet, and we will talk more about what you need to do for that lab. And then Monday we'll do this part 2 one on a worksheet, and then you can turn that in as well. All right. But basically, that's what I like to do today. It's a pretty easy day. Hopefully, I want you to get your quiz done anyhow. And that's it. Have a wonderful day.